Ha? Haba eh. Dito ko sa laro. Kasalukuyan nasa laot na kami. So, alas 4 pa lang eh. Paano mo malalamang sa'yo yun? Ha? Sa'yo yung pesto? Ha? Kami ng poste. Hindi, halimbawa yun oh. Paano mo malalaman na sa'yo na? May palatandaan? Ah, kasi ang dami pala no? Ang dami pala nakatusok eh. Ano, gasolina o diesel? Gasolina, mas mura konti no? Mahal ang diesel ngayon eh.
Hindi, may napunta tayo. Mura ng diesel. Naka-video na tayo.
Yo, dito kami sa laot. Sino yan? Ano, Berting? Bilis yun. Agutan tayo.
Naunang umalis yun.
Ano ba yan?
Sasagwan lang.
Ah, oh.
Tipid.
Naliligaw pa rin pala. Kaya nga eh. Ang galing eh. Kaya, kasi iba diba may navigation. Ano diba?
Hindi ko rin kalaki yan. Pag nabuo.
All you wanted was a life of bliss. Always living for that midnight kiss. Something right was always on the way. More than I could ever know or say. Never losing, you would always win. Every pleasure, it was heaven sent. No doubt you had yourself angel wings, flying high in the sky, carefree. You'd say, let's play and be happy. You say,
Huh?
time to seek, not to
Haba
hide.
eh.
I'd say, that's a fine way to live your life. You say, it's a need satisfied, a dream come true. All you wanted was a life of bliss, made of sunshine, not the morning mist. It's not a fight, you know, to get your way. Take a breath is what you'd always say. But could you live in the land of the riddle, where there's no left or right, only middle? Dark of night, more than light of day. Just to get wild is more